Hello, good evening everyone. Today I want to show you how you can highlight your mouse cursor. The benefits are highlighting mouse cursor make it easier follow to people with to explain it so they can see your mouse cursor easily can see your clicking options also. This is very important while you are screen recording or some types of instructions. It also important that you are using Teams, Zooms or Google Meeting and explaining some concepts also. I am on my PC screen. Use the bottom taskbar to find out mouse settings. Use the search bar and type mouse settings. Here, click on it and find out the additional mouse option. Here in the below, click on it. Then you will see the open of mouse properties including more tabs. I am select the pointers tab here. In here you will see all the default pointer icons. Scroll down the window and see the variation of them. But you will not find a pointer with heel option. We want to highlight around this mouse pointer. Actually, I am select a website to download a file that I need. Name of the website Real World Designer. Type Real World Designer your web browser. Here, click on Real World Graphics that mentioned here. You can navigate here with rw-designer.com. You will see now we are in the website now. There are a lot of valuable contents here. Read those contents and find out how those things useful for you. So go to gallery option, look at those latest additions and pick up if you would like them. A lot of people already created many things with using these tools. This is the easiest way to apply highlight by using Windows around your mouse pointer. Here I am searching cursor highlights and I am go ahead here. I click this arrow and select download option. Here you will see bunch of cursors around with highlights. Choose your colors and click their download buttons to download the file. Here I am click here to download the file like this. Here then you will visit to the download page. It is very small file you will see and .cur file actually. It is a simply data file. Here click on there to download. I click here to download. Now I am going to download folder where the file was downloaded. Here it is, and I am cut paste it into the C drive where the other cursor files were installed. Click Windows folder here and find out the subfolder named cursors here. That's one. This is cursors. You can see all different cursors files there. Scroll down the window here. Check out what kind of different cursors you can find out there, and paste my downloaded cursor file here like this, and it will ask you to provide permission and click continue. Now you will see new file here added among rest of other files like this. Here it is added already. I am back into mouse settings here, and you will see, and here pointers, and you will see normal select mouse cursor as default. Here I am going to browse here and select new file that I added latest. Here I find it, that's one. Click on it and then open. Now you will see my mouse cursor with highlighted in normal select icon. Click save as option here. I am give a name mouse cursor highlight. Here mouse cursor highlight and click OK. Here if I want to remove my cursor highlight, simply I click this arrow and click none. Now you will see highlights gone, disappear. If I want, I click mouse cursor highlight and apply on it. If I need to get highlight back, I select that. Here you can try this for all Windows versions including Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1 as well. There are some applications available can control even more your cursors as well. Try them also. It is easy to create highlight around your mouse cursor with this method, so I recommended this method for you. Thank you.